Alright, so today we're going to be talking about rolling again. We're going to be talking about rolling the adductor muscles in the thigh muscle there. What you're going to need is a foam roller and the mat or the ground. The adductor muscle, which we'll be rolling out today, is a common muscle that gets tight with running, dancing or martial arts. So this is a very common one for that. So we're going to place that foam roller on the ground. And then we're going to place it on the side, just like this here. Now if you lie down on this side and place the inner adductor muscles there in your inner thigh, just like that. Now you're going to roll your knee out like this and roll your hips forward. Now you're going to feel a pressure on that inner thigh. Stop when you feel a tender spot. Now it might feel a bit uncomfortable, but it's very normal. Okay. A way you can progress this is lift up your hip and add in that extra pressure by putting more pressure and contact onto that foam roller. So we're lifting up that hip there. Okay. Now you want to roll all the way from the knee, all the way to your groin area there. Now if you do experience any pain, then stop straight away, but a slight discomfort or tenderness is absolutely normal. If you do get that pain, then seek your health professional. Thank you for watching.